there's going to be a connector in here. There we go. Not sure what they got this thing a little tangled, it looks like. Yep, that's exactly what they did. They got apparently some crap in here that I have no idea what that is. No, it's not electrical tape. Is it? Okay. So apparently there's some electric. Yeah. So see if we can get this out. So we're gonna find out what's going on here. We got the fluid, the gas. We're gonna set this down for a minute. And just never seen this before in all the years of working on bikes.